Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and I will show you how we can customize your always on display. So at the first, let's unlock our device and move for the settings. We have to go for the display and scroll down until we find the always on panel. When we are here, we can for the first pick the clock style. For example, let's change for this one. And we can also pick when we want to display this option. We can go for always or by time. When you pick by time, you can adjust start time and end time, just like that. But I always use this one. I want to get it always. When you lock your device, you can spot that our always display has changed, and that's how we can customize this simple thing on the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.